Hi, my name is James Orvis, and in this expert guide, I'm going to take you through UHE Diva. This isn't just a simple walkthrough of the synth. This is an expert guide which is going to show you exactly how to modulate and program your own patches to basically up your production game. Now, the reason why UHE Diva is such a powerful workhorse synth is the fact that you're able to swap out modules. So we've got modules that are based on classic synths such as the Moog Mini Moog, or Moog if you pronounce it that way, the Roland Jupiter 8, the Roland Alpha Juno, Roland JP8000, which is a brilliant digital synth, it's an absolute beast. And then we've also got the beastie Korg MS-20 as well, which has got a brilliant filter. Now, the reason why it's cool to have all of these in one VST is the fact that you're able to swap out the modules and combine them. So we could use Moog's classic ladder filter with the digital Roland JP8000 oscillators and combine them in a way that gives us something truly unique that you wouldn't get in the hardware realm. And it's just brilliant. Like, you can come up with some amazing presets with this thing. Really wonky, broken analog presets. Now, let me just explain what we're going to do in the course and what I'm going to take you through. So we're going to start off with a walkthrough and signal flow. So I'm going to show you how the synth works, the signal flow of the synth, also where to find all of the hidden drop-down menus and settings and things like that. And then we're going to move on to the oscillators. So we've got 5 different oscillators modules to go through. I'm going to show you what each one does, the differences between them, why you should try them all out and use them all rather than just the standard Moog ones that come with it. Then we're going to move on to high pass filters and feedback, and then also the filters as well. And as we go through this, it's not just me saying this is here, that's there, like you might have seen with some other tutorials. This is me imparting my knowledge on how to program this thing as well. It's not just listing where everything is. And then we're going to go on to envelopes as well, LFOs, the tuning amp pan and voicing, which sounds a little bit boring, but it's very important. And then we're going to touch upon the clock and the ARP settings as well. Then we're going to move over to all of the inbuilt effects, and I'll show you how to get the most out of them. And then modifications and trimmers, which is probably one of my favorite parts of this synth. So modifications is the hidden settings that not many people know about, but it's pretty much there. It's in one of the panels at the bottom, but I'll show you how to get the most out of that section. And then trimmers, which is probably my favorite. This is a part of the synth where you're able to take it from a very steady synth into something that sounds very old, worn, broken, and really, really analog sounding. And I love that part of this. It makes it really stand out from other VSTs on the market. So it's really important, I think, to nail that section, and it'll just give your presets a new lease of life. And then we're going to move over to the preset section. So UHE's Diva's got a really, really good preset section. The fact that you're able to search, tag everything, put things in folders, it makes it really, really nice and workable. So I'm going to show you how to get the most out of that bit. And then we're going to move over to FM, sync, and rim modulation. So it's a bit of a synth tutorial in the sense that I'm going to show you what each of those are in simple terms and show you how to get the most out of those as well in your patches. And then I'm going to show you some advanced modulation techniques as well. So this is touching back on some of the things we might have already gone on in the tutorial, in the course, sorry. And it's just basically touching back upon advanced modulation tricks and routings and things like that. And then finally, we're going to make 5 presets together. So this is not just me making a quick preset that I've already made before. This is from scratch. So the reason why I did it like this, they're a little bit lengthier, but the reason why I did it like this is so that you can kind of look over my shoulder as I'm creating from scratch and trying to work out what modules to use, what programming to use. I actually go back and forth a few times, test things out, it doesn't work. So you get to see that process of a patch creator as well. And that'll give you some inspiration and tips when it comes to making your own patches. It's a super big beast of a course. I really enjoyed making it, and I put a lot of effort into this. And I do feel that those that watch the course and go through it, I do feel that by the end of it, you will become an expert at this synth, or you'll be well on your way to creating patches from scratch in future productions. My name's James Orvis. I can't wait to see you on this course. It's going to be really, really fun. I'll see you on the course.